Welcome to my coffee channel. I am Thomas, and today I am going to show you how to make French press coffee. That is perfect, probably better than any French press coffee that you've gotten in any coffee shop. And well, let's get started. The key to making any great coffee is starting with great coffee beans. It has to be whole bean, freshly roasted, and freshly ground. I already ground it to a medium, and we want to remove our plunger, and we just want to pour our coffee in there. Okay, and we want to brew it at least 4 or 5 minutes. So I'm going to start my timer, and I am just going to start pouring some water. I like a gooseneck, but you don't necessarily, you could use any kettle you want. Just goosenecks give you a little more control. I'm only going to put a little for right now. I am going to stir it up. This is a ½ liter French press. So I'm going to make basically 2 cups. And we're going to use 500 grams of water. This brings us right about to the top right there. So we're up 500 grams, and the key is to be patient. That is what makes great French press coffee, is you just gotta give it time to brew. So we're gonna let this sit for the next few minutes, and we'll be right back as it's brewing. Okay, we are at about 3 minutes now. Like I said, but we just want to start knocking that crust down, getting it to sink a little bit. Ideally, we want all of these grounds to sink to the bottom. We want to have a nice, clean cup. I guess there. Okay, we're just going to let this go for another couple minutes. It would be too hot to drink anyway right now, so we just want it to soak up all that coffee and just make an awesome cup of coffee here. French presses are great if you want to go camping, take them on the road with you. Pretty compact, make excellent coffee. Okay, we're at 4 minutes now. Okay, we are at 5 minutes. And right now, I just want to try to scrape some of that crust still floating off the top. Get rid of it, if I can. We don't want that in our coffee. Okay, that is looking great. And here's the little secret right here. We're going to take our plunger, we're going to line up our little gap, and we're just going to push our plunger in there very gently. And at this point, this is where most people make the mistake. They would plunge it all the way, but we're just going to plunge it down, maybe about halfway because we don't want to stir up the bottom down there. Okay? And we are going to pour some coffee. And you'll see our coffee is very clean looking, very translucent, not a bunch of grounds or oils floating in it. Smells awesome. This is a great coffee, smells really sweet. Wow, that is great. So I guess a little bit of wait. It took us about 5 minutes, but it was well worth it. So anyway, that's how you make French press coffee. That's excellent. That's wow. And anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, I hope you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, it really helps. And I make a new video every week, so hopefully I'll see you back here, and have a great day and enjoy your coffee.